Good morning, guys. I will not be chatting the first couple minutes. We got payouts pending, and I gotta take care to make sure I'm not trading those accounts. $602, delete. $592, delete. $604, delete. $603. I know there was another one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Damn it, I don't know which ones are not trading. 8. I'm missing 2. 583 is here. $601. God, I don't have that much time. $601. All right, that's fine. The only thing is, there's 2 accounts I could request $1,600 from. So if I lose on them, that will hurt. But it's all right. If I win, that's an extra $1,000. Sorry, guys, I can't see the chat really. All right, I think we're good. All right, then we're good. Miss K, member for 9 months. Good morning, Black Coffee, Miss Trading, Austin, Max Trades. Good morning, guys. Say good morning to all of you in a few seconds here. It's FOMC day. Let's see what kind of FRE we're gonna get today. Ooh, little chopster, okay. Wow, that could have been great, but unfortunately. Okay, we're gonna take that just because I'm scared. That's $200. I would have won again. See, I'm trading so scared. Easy. ORB. I'm trading so scared. Well, we made extra $400 in payouts. Hey, $400 is $400. How many accounts does that pay for, you know? Pays for like 3, 4 accounts. But could have been $1,000. I suck lately. This week. Need to get these payouts out of the way. You know what? I just need to get these payouts out of the way. That way I could start fresh. Right now it's in my head and I'm not trading well. But it's all good. See this TPT Pro account? We're gonna activate that right now. That's what we're gonna trade today, I think. Or we could trade more on the Apex accounts. Just not all of them. But no, I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely trade one more Apex. I just don't know which one. Another easy That's 2 days in a row. Well, yesterday wasn't easy. Yesterday was not easy. There's a difference yesterday. But today, it was easy. All I had to do is wait 2 more seconds. The 180 level scared me, and that fact that it made a wick there. But it's all good. Hey, we're green. We could always make more money if we want. If we want to, we could always make more money. Just trade more, right? Don't be don't be scared. But we have a new TPT Pro account. Let's see if we could blow it in one day again. Unbelievable. Guys, this is an absolute dream come true month for me. Fortunately today I did not do that well. But now this becomes 1800. This becomes 1850. So right now we would be at $46,000. Given I get approved and all that. Oh, good thing, because this account is not pending. So I don't have any accounts to trade. This account's not pending. This account is just needs one more flip day. Okay. I was like, I know I'm missing one more account from the copy trader based on I have 15 accounts and I'm only trading 9. 5 are pending. That's obviously pending. I mean, I haven't broken any rules. So I don't see why they wouldn't be approved. It is my best month since August last year. It's all crazy hard work. I mean, I have good months. I mean, February I made $28,000. I mean, that's like perfectly fine month. And this is just like a dream come true. It kind of gives me a little bit of cushion, even though mentally it makes me want to go for more next month. But in reality, it's just a cushion month. All right, so let's see who we got in the chat. I finally got the chat. Cats, Joshua, Mototimo. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Waiting for a TPT to activate. I'm gonna trade that. It is FOMC day. Not sure what to expect. I would love to see some volatility, to be honest. I think that would be a great time. How about yesterday? We had the lows here, pretty much. Like, so unfortunate. Like, all I had to do is wait for the technically the 20s. We would have had the bottom. Now, couldn't just hold that because that would have hit the trailing drawdown. That's what sucks about TPT. You got to take profits early. When you're trying to grow the account, obviously you want to just run it up, but it's hard. Damn, ORB was so good today and I messed it up, guys. It's the second time. Second time in 2 days I messed up the ORB. The accounts technically should be $1,000 more. Actually, no, because we made money yesterday. Alpine, you made money yesterday and you're already forgetting, not being grateful. All right, it might be ready. Let's see. Let's log out and log in. TPT activates pretty fast. Oh man, the 120 long. Come on, TPT. For tomorrow, I'm gonna have to buy some more accounts from other props to trade the ORB because I'm gonna be pending with Apex. So who knows how long that's gonna take. I'm gonna have 3 more pending payouts. But I could still trade tomorrow and make more money. That's the thing. It's like, all right, I don't know what's wrong with my TPT, but it's not logging me in. New eval. That's the 150K that I pass on stream. If I blow this one, then I'm probably gonna reset at 50K. If you look on the beginning of the stream, you could see the just so you guys don't think I'm resetting. If I was, I would tell you. I don't like resetting. It makes me sick. I'm already sick to my stomach how I trade TPT, and I pay $130 for these accounts. And if I paid like $1,500, it would hurt. I can't log into my TPT though. It's not letting me. It's not letting me. Oh wait, I think we're logged in. I think we are logged in. Maybe. Oh, no symbols found. What? Come on. TPT is acting up for me. Okay. All right. So this is a $150,000 pro account. So it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get it to pay out. But we'll try our best. We're gonna have to wait for like a really good setup and go heavy. Hope you guys are having a good day. We have a lot of things going on today. Yes, we have big earnings. We have FOMC. We have Alpine's record month, so the volatility is going to be higher. The market is watching. They're like, he's made enough. Let's just make him lose every trade. Oh, it's so exciting. I haven't been this excited about trading in a long time. I don't think I've been as excited about trading since I started playing golf. This is my best month since I started playing golf. It all fell apart when I started playing golf, by the way. Someone said that to me a couple of times. A couple of people said that. Let me see if I could find. I gotta change this actually, but so you could see August I made $45,000 as well, and then we kind of fell apart. It has been such a great year, and that's the hardest part, is when you fall apart trying to get back to it slowly. That's the hardest part. When you blow an account like this, when I had them for 3-4 months, I'm gonna try to make them, like, I requested a payout yesterday from Apex, traded the account for 31 days, and I only requested $1,800. 31 days of trading, and I only requested $1,800. And I'm trying to get to a payout with TPT in 2 days. I need to get back onto if I had TPT right now, like if I had TPT right now in the payout stages, my goodness, this could have been $60,000-$70,000 a month. Easily. It's just getting the TPT accounts to the buffer. That's what's killing me. Joaquin, member for 7 months. Thank you. All right, guys. Time for some caffeine. Be right back. It's in my car. I left it in my car, so.
Profit from the course to the charge. Let's ride. Wake up, charts up, Porsche on the T or B play hitting. That's profit for me. Fairway clean, wrist tight, swinging line. Birdie on the course, double up online. TRADEIFY live, the chat's going crazy. Alpine grind, never slack, never lazy. From the screen glow nice to the daylight greens. It's a winner's game, you know what it means. Stacking green, keep it place precise. Or B calls hitting out once but twice. Luxury grind, I was built this way. Every tick, every swing, we getting paid. He's an Alpine trader, or B sniper, market slayer. Fairway focus, profits higher. Fuel the hustle, light the fire. Greens on the course, greens on the lane. Turning losses into gains. From the market to the stage. Alpine's built to break the cage. Drive long, charge tight, play by play, or be set up locking in every day. Take profit dreams, stack them like wins. Birdies on the board where the hustle begins. YouTube leave squad hype in the chat, or be ORB play hitting, yeah, we're running that back. Golf swing smooth, market flow the same. Alpine way, yeah, you know the name.
ORB play, run it up.
Woo!
Take profit, double up.
Let's go.
Birdie putt, no bluff. Alpine grind, built tough.
That was a good song. I haven't heard that one in a while. I'll listen to it one more time. I didn't listen to it. I just heard.
Alpine. ORB plays. Take profit. From the course to the charts.
Trying to push the energy into take profit.
Play hitting, that's profit for me. Fairway clean, wrist tight, swinging line. Birdie on the course, double up online. TRADEIFY live, the chat's going crazy. Alpine grind, never slack, never lazy. From the screen glow nights to the daylight greens. It's a winner's game, you know what it means. Stacking green, keeping place precise. All B calls hitting out once but twice. Luxury grind, I was built this way. Every tick, every swing, we getting paid. The Alpine trader, ORB sniper, market slayer. Fairway focus, profits higher. Fuel the hustle, light the fire. Greens on the course, greens on the lane. Turning losses into gains. From the market to the stage. Alpine's built to break the cage. Drive long, charge tight, play by play, or be set up locking in every day. Take profit dreams, stack them like wins. Birdies on the board where the hustle begins. YouTube leave squad hype in the chat, or be play hitting, yeah, we're running that back. Golf swing smooth, market flow the same. Alpine way, yeah, you know the name.
ORB play, run it up.
Woo!
Take profit, double up.
Let's go.
Birdie putt, no bluff. Alpine grind, built tough.
All right. Is she going? Okay. Oh, I'm in an Apex too. Whoops. Okay, got that. All right. Yeah, this is why I should have taken like 5 contracts and be like $1,500 quick. You know, now $300 at a time is gonna be very hard to get to a payout. That's why I gotta step it up. I made a little bit more on Apex. See, why couldn't the first trade be so easy yesterday? They would have been so easy, but today we don't need it. So it's an easy trade. Yesterday I needed it so bad and it was absolute trash. Heck, I'm actually going to short one more time. If it gets there, I'm going to short one more time.
Alpine. Trade by day, swing by play. Greens on greens, let's go. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Fairway shine and the markets pay. Drive for show, trade for dough. Stacking wins everywhere I go. Charts up early, Porsche out late. Apex moves, yeah, I calculate. Orby plays, take profit on sight. Golf bag loaded, swing game tight. TRADEIFY stream, YouTube chats live. P&L climbing, yeah we thrive. Wrist tight, set up right. Stacking precision on the course or the charts. It's the same ambition. It's on the grind, every tick, every swing. Discipline the game, champions win everything. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Fairway shine and the markets.
Oh, sheesh.
Trade for dough. Stacking wins everywhere I go. Saying trap pressure, but I don't fold. Same with the charts when the candles roll. Clubhouse chill, leaderboard rise. Trading in golf, it's a champion's life. No mulligans, no second chances. You line it up, you take the shot. That's golf. That's trading. That's life. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Porsche in the lie, yeah, I paved my lane. From the course to the charts, everybody knows. Legends are made when the setup shows. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways.
Of course, now we didn't get it. We sized up. Market loves to mess me up. Come on, market. Don't just go up. That was a great song, actually.
Yeah, it's Alpine, let's go. Take profit in my pocket, watch the candles climb. Orby plays, Porsche rolls, it's trading time. TRADEIFY's my tool, guiding every line. YouTube chats alive, we're on the grind.
Come on. Of course.
Wake up to the charts, futures looking bright. Scalping every tick, risk management tight. Apex funded.
It's only 10 points, but it feels like it's gonna go much higher.
Into a profitable side. Take profit in my pocket, watch the candles climb. Orby plays, Porsche rolls, it's trading time. TRADEIFY's my tool, guiding every line. YouTube chats alive, we're on the grind. From the charts to the wheel, Porsche on the move. TRADEIFY's the rhythm, every trade's in the groove. Orby's the play,
entire month you are green. Let's go. Does that mean like every day or payouts or what?
From the charts to the road, it's all about the hustle. Alpine out. Another one. We the best traders. Alpine got the playbook. Alpine Nation, stand up. They ain't ready. Let's get it. I'm in that Alpine mode, Alpine in the seat. Now the whole team glow, rich, tight gains, high, never trade slow.
This is the one.
Another one. We the best traders.
Oh, Tim, you gotta hear this one. This one.
Alpine. Trade by day, swing by play.
Is it this one?
Greens on greens, let's go. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Fairway shine and the markets pay. Drive for show, trade for dough. Stacking wins everywhere I go. Charts up early, Porsche out late. Apex moves, yeah, I calculate. Orbit plays, take profit on sight. Golf bag loaded, swing game tight. TRADEIFY stream, YouTube chats live. P&L climbing, yeah we thrive. Wrist tight, set up right. Stacking precision on the course or the charts. It's the same ambition. It's on the grind, every tick, every swing. Discipline the game, champion.
Come on. Go lower.
Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Fairway shine and the market's big. Drive for show, trade for dough. Stacking wins.
Someone made it for me. I don't know.
Sand trap pressure, but I don't fold. Same with the charts when the candles roll. Clubhouse chill, leaderboard rise. Trading in golf, it's a champion's life. No mulligans, no second chances. You line it up, you take the shot.
Go.
That's golf.
Go.
That's trading. That's life. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Porsche in the lie, yeah, I paved my lane. From the course to the charts, everybody knows. Legends are made when the setup shows. Greens on greens, I'm chasing both ways. Porsche in the lie, yeah, I paved my lane. From the course to the charts, everybody knows. Legends are made when the setup shows.
Bruce Springsteen vibe. That's a good idea. Some rock. I don't have anything rock wise. This one's definitely the.
Alpine got the playbook.
This one's the one that you drive around and bump to.
They ain't ready. Let's get it. I'm in that Alpine mode. Alpine in the seat. Now the whole team glows.
Oh, that was a painful trade, but we got it.
Trade slow. Lessons on lock. Yeah, we all gon' grow. Hey. Calls come clean. YouTube chat live. Legends in the game. We don't just survive. No pump, no hype. Just the real flow. Alpine fam. Yeah, we all in the zone. Let me talk to him. Alpine drop gems. That's a master class.
I want to be like Tim and get payouts from TPT. Damn. That was so good, but painful. I messed up the ORB 2 days in a row. I'm trading so scared. I'm just happy to get these payouts out of the way.
I'm in that Alpine mode, Alpine in the seat. Now the whole team
I'm glad to just get the payouts out of the way and start fresh, because last 2 days Orbi was easy and I just messed it up.
calls come clean, YouTube chat live. Legends in the game, we don't just survive. No pump, no hype, just the real flow. Alpine fam, yeah, we all in the zone. You don't need luck, you need a system. We don't chase, we plan. Execution is king. Tradecraft mindset, patience. Alpine for life. Trading futures, risk of fine. NASDAQ play, yeah, that's prime. Strike got the charts and a voice to align. Self-sustaining trader, that's the climb. You say lessons drop like bombs. Wake up alert, market open, that's when we work.
Can I trade news with PA Legacy? I think so, yeah.
Alpine mode, that's the code.
But if it's like outside of your strategy, then
Stacking knowledge, no cap, no fold. Alpine fam, yeah, we breaking the mold.
I hate this part. I heard you. Oh. That guy was fighting demons. It's just AI. He does not have demons. Got no soul. Oh man, I am just ready to take these payouts and move on. But I could still make more. That's the thing. I'm not at max payouts with these accounts. I could still make more. Almost $1,000 each account. That's $2,000 more I could make. Doesn't seem like a lot, but that's $2,000. That's like, if you $2,000 doesn't seem a lot when you compare it to like 46,000. But $2,000 in real life, I mean, that's a shit ton of money. That's how much profit I make on a very small wedding. Or this weekend, I have 3 photo booths, Thursday to Friday. And I'll make $2,200. And then I got to pay someone to do one of them. I'll do 2. So net profit's going to be like 1,600 after paper and all that. And that's 2 days of work. Like literally like full shifts. Still great money. That's amazing money, right? But trading wise, it just feels different. Do we buy this 180? Or do we wait for a more extreme move? I think I should wait for a more extreme move and then just go with, another 3-4 contracts. 'Cause I think the slow moves are the ones that are dangerous, especially with trailing drawdown. But yeah, it's FOMC day, so we'll see. I'll probably stream till like 11:30, and then we'll come back for FOMC. But everyone's gonna be streaming FOMC, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna trade, to be honest. And it's not raining out, so could do more lawn work. I gotta take off my Christmas lights. Yes, I know it's May, and I still got Christmas lights on my roof. I took off the Christmas lights from the shrubs and stuff, but from the roof, I have not. Because every time it's been nice out, I've been golfing, and it's not been nice out like every day. I think I'm gonna hire someone next year to do that, or I'm not gonna do it anymore. It's my least favorite thing to do. It's not. It doesn't flow. It's like a pain. Come on, just dump it so I don't have to think about buying. Would have worked. She would have worked. Just scalping this one. Come on, go up. Get the full 300 on one contract. Would I ever go full-time trader and quit DJing a photo booth? Maybe, but I don't think so. I think that's my like social life. Photo booth, I already quit. Not fully, but I already quit the photo booth business in the sense where I used to be a white label, meaning I would work for other companies and they would just hire me out. And then I would go to the wedding to do a photo booth, or my guys would go as part of that company. So DJA Entertainment would hire me, and then we would go and we would dress as DJA and wear their uniforms, like t-shirts, whatever, and we'd go as them. And then DJB would hire me, and then I would go with them, and that's how it was. And then I would do photo booths for my own weddings. But I never did photo booths as in, well, once in a while you would get one, but I would never advertise for photo booths as a standalone. So I would never get bookings from new clients for a photo booth it was always maybe a recurring client, or maybe someone was, use this for the wedding, and now they're having like a kid's birthday party and they want a photo booth or whatnot. So one company, I taught one of my friends how to do it. Um, he works for that company, and he's helped me out through the years. So there's two of them, and taught them how to do it. So they took over, and then the other company, there's another kid that's doing them, and I do like one 1/6 of what I used to do. Guys, we could have freaking banked on that. Unbelievable. Why did it take so long? Why did it take so long to bounce? We could have made full $900 on that. All I had to do is short here, hold, cover, buy, and then sell up here. Easy money. And we would be close to the payout. But see, you already made $1,700. How easy? Why is it so difficult then? I don't get it. So the answer to that question, I don't know if I actually answered it, but I don't know if I would ever do it because I'm not afraid. But the future of futures prop firms is kind of uncertain. Like you can't be thinking about future prop firms in 10 years from now, right? Or 15 years from now. Like we don't know what's going to happen. Like I don't want to worry about it, and then I have the YouTube income too, right? So like I don't have just trading income, I also have YouTube income. So it would be a little bit easier. But why would I give up? You know, and then DJing I get to write off so much. So it actually helps me on my taxes too. So why would I give up over $100,000? Used to be almost 200,000. That's how much money I make trading. So if I make $200,000 trading net, 200, 250, and then make another 150 DJing, or 100,000 or 200,000. If I when I when I was fully cranking everything, it was 200, but now it's gonna be a lot less. And why would I give that up? Multiple streams of income is how you become independent of like when I go and play golf and I spend $200 for a round for two people. I I don't even look at the price. Like I just swipe the card and I'm good, right? And then when I lose a ball, or not even, let's say I hit a ball to the other fairway, and it's not that easy to get there. Like you gotta go over a creek, or you gotta go around and whatnot. You could clearly see the ball. You could go get it. I don't care. Like unless I need it for score, but if I don't, some people will look for their ball for 10 minutes because they don't want to lose $5. Sometimes I just want to tell them like, I'll give you a 3-pack if you just go and hit. Sold golf clubs to build capital to trade. I actually sold my motorcycle. No joke. I sold my motorcycle to trade. Not even kidding. And I probably blew it in like a month, but I'm not gonna take this 220, even though I should. I'm not going to. Uh, future markets are here. Oh no, futures will be here for a long time. Futures and trading is gonna be here for a long time, but I make money because of prop firms. I don't really make that much money. Um, I would still make some money, but it wouldn't be. I don't know. There would have to be some adjustment for sure. And I would always have a small account because I'll be afraid of blowing it up. So I'll probably just do a $5,000 account and try to double it, take the money out, and then it's a free account, and then, do that. At what point did you say this might not work and I want to quit trading? If you talk to a couple of my friends that I've been trading with since, before COVID, there's probably like 3 or 4 of them that are still like around from small cap days. They'll tell you I said I quit probably a million times. I would quit every other red day. I would quit, and I'll be right back to it next day. So like I said, I want to quit many times, but it was just like you guys see me do that on the stream too. Like I get very frustrated, but I get over it once I have a green day or a green trade, whatever. So it's like it was the same thing. It's like market closes and everything resets. But it was so tough in the beginning. I was losing money, and I was like, it's like if I just put this money back into the DJ business, I could make so much more money. Like, why am I doing this? Now it would be hard because I can't replicate this income with DJing. Like, there's just no way. I would have to be a slave, and it would just not. It would just not work. Like, I have a friend, one of the photo booth company, one of the DJs I did photo booths for. Like, he is very busy. I mean, they're both huge companies, but one is more like I was, where he does only like he just actually expanded to doing second wedding. He has a second crew, but he used to only do one wedding. Like he was the main guy. So that's called a solo op. And then you have multi op, where it's like the owner usually doesn't work. He's just got people that work for them. And it's like a landscaping company, right? You could do the landscaping yourself, or you could have people to do it. And you just worry about the bookings. So they make, decent money, but like the overhead and everything is just so expensive. I could comfortably say I probably make more money than every single DJ company in New Jersey. And New Jersey is one of the best states in the country. Like, I don't think there's a single DJ company. I'm not talking about DJs, I'm talking about wedding DJ companies, entertainment businesses that make more money than I do combined. But who knows? I just know how the business works. This April month, from which prop firms did you get 33? From Apex. It's actually 45K now. Just waiting for approval, but it's gonna be 45K after today. 46. It's been my best streak with Apex. Like every single account that I got to pay out with Apex, I have not blown a single one. Like it's just the MAE is literally saving my account right now. So if you go to beginning of April, right here, I have not blown a single account that I got payout from. I don't know if I blew any accounts in April actually. But the last few payout ones, all the way to look. Holy shit! I have not blown a single account this year with Apex that I got to a payout with. But see, like I've had some of these accounts since January. See, there's no payouts in January from Apex. Only 2 payouts in February. Then March got a little bit better, and now April is everything. So it's like just a very slow and steady growth. I have not blown a single Apex account that I got to pay out. Wow. I'm impressed. So once I got to a payout with the account, I haven't blown it. That is quite the achievement. I'm telling you, it's one of my best runs with Apex I've had. All because no more legacy accounts. I don't want to lose them. I have the MAE rule, and it's stopping me on the tilt days. And then obviously it could happen where I'm not gonna recover one day from that tilt day. But having to get out of that bad trade just because if I don't get out, then I break the rules, and then it's like I gotta work basically all over again because that PNL gets erased. Then you gotta make whatever payout you want to request. Well, actually, you have to request a full payout. So like I've requested. If you look here, how many payouts do you see that are full? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 payouts out of whatever this many payouts is a full payout. Everything else is partial payouts. So pretty pretty awesome. But if you break rules, then you got to take the full payout, and then you're screwed. Well, not screwed, but you can't take out less than full. Austin, there's something going on with your account. I'm not gonna talk about. They didn't tell me a lot of detail, but just go back to the beginning of our emails. Like there's always been something with your accounts, and there's something that they're looking at. I don't know exactly what, but there's something, unfortunately. So it's not like I don't know if they're ignoring it or not, but they're looking into something on your account. That's why I meant Spider Trader. Sorry if you misunderstood what I meant. Damn, this 180 and I sold it for 6 points. Could have banked here. Sheesh. How do you handle your pair accounts? Do you trade them like 35 profit and then take half of it? No, because with Apex, you can't take out anything less than, like, I don't know if any of these accounts have just gone to pay out. Like this account, this is the minimal, a little bit more than that, but this account, the minimal balance you could have with Apex is 4,600 once you take the payout. Can't have less than that on the 150K accounts. So I don't need to grow them. I don't need to take out half. Anything over 4,600 you could take out up to 2,750. But when I take the payout, I still have money in there, right? So it's not like. And then with TPT, if I get to a payout, I take everything. Same thing. Got to leave $4,500 in there. I'm not risking leaving any money in the account. Damn. See, all I had to do is be aggressive on these two trades, and we could have been there. But then I'm aggressive on some shitty trades. Fortunately, today ORB was good, and I messed it up, so I'm kind of bummed about that. But I will short 280s and then 320s. Come on, keep pushing. Got in early on one just to see if we don't get the push, but would be nice to get this one and then reshort again. Wow. Damn. Why can I get the two more? But down up already 2,000. Crazy. Why couldn't we do this on the 50K account yesterday? I don't get it. What should I do? Just focus on trading with other prop firms while you wait. That's what I would do. Damn. If I got all those 3 contracts filled, oh, it would have been a nice halfway to target type of trade. But see those 3 trades, and I could have been up $7,000-8,000. That's the difference between like being aggressive and not. And I know it's hindsight, but how many times I become aggressive on the shittiest setups, and now I'm having good setups and I'm not being aggressive. Well, I am. I'm trading 3 contracts, so I'm trying. So at least that's better. We got to get this to a buffer. It doesn't have to be today, but we're going to be... Price action is nice, so we're going to keep trading it. And hopefully... leave this. That's not a stop. That's a re-entry. Because I will re-enter still. All right, and 2 more contracts. you're good. You're good. Thanks for noticing. Sometimes I do leave stops out. Big resistance here, so hopefully it does resist. Tough one again. Kind of similar to this one here. It's making some wicks. If it breaks through, yeah, at the highs. Oh, we got some. I think 320 would be good. I don't know if I like this anymore. What a strong move, though, right? Talk about this all the time, the shallow pullback. Can be dangerous here. Could be dangerous for us. And TPT. Well, not gonna touch it. Just gonna let it go. Eventually, got to come back, right? Holy smokes! Come on, at least get there. No, go, go higher. Nah, messed that one up, guys. Didn't notice the strength. Does Lucid allow trading FOMC? That's a good question. I might participate in that actually. Can someone tell us? I think so. Come on. Get me out break even on 2. Okay, I won't be greedy for a couple pennies. Hey, if you see, like, if I take off my entries and stuff and take a screenshot of this, be like, oh, what a great trade. He top ticked it. That's how gurus do it. They don't show the entries on the chart. That's exactly how they do it. Let me show you. You don't see trades. You just see my P&L and my entry, my average. Like, yep, I'm on the top. Top tick. Come on. Dump it. 280 I might have to cover though. 280 I might have to cover. Technically, it's a green trade now. Not by much. 10 points. But look how strong the market is right now. That's what the scary part is. It's just like a rocket. These pullbacks are the strongest pullbacks, and I'm just always afraid. Like, I took like no profit. I took like 7, 8 points here. Come on. Come on. Ah. Cover that, and then last one we'll just hold. See if we could get like 270s, 260s. There we go. But see, now 280s are gonna act as support, aren't they? So I should have just covered 280s. Yep. Magic. Just magic. It's crazy. Look how 280s just bounce. Could have gotten 10 points right there. It is absolutely amazing how, obviously not always, but how well it works. Look at that. 280 bounce. Like I said, I need to cover 280s. I just refuse to, but maybe it'll still break down. but that's why I have one contract left instead of 4. I'm okay with that. But 280s would have been a full 15-point trade. See if we could get 260s, maybe 270s. Like that. Trader and development, how we doing? Oh. Trying to get through 80, but see how 80 is just insane support. Like, you just gotta trust it, you know? You just gotta trust it. Look at this. 80. 80. Just gotta trust it and go for it. You'll get a few wins and then you're like, huh. If you're on the right side of the momentum, it works really well. When you're on the wrong side of the momentum, that's when I notice it doesn't work as well. Well, that was stupid for me. I said exactly what I needed to do and I didn't do it. It is pretty wild. Gotta trust it.
That's crazy, Captain Crunch.
Nutty's long.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Nutty. Damn. Now do I cover it at 280? Come on, just flush. I'm ready to get out if it holds. I feel like this 280 level could become the next support, and then off she goes higher. Yep, 280 boys and girls, 280. Alpine, you are counter trend trading your own strategy. Like, what are you doing? 280 is a long, so why wouldn't I cover a short at 280? Think about it. Only because I want to be wrong. It's like, nah, that's not gonna hold. How many times did I buy that and didn't hold? Ugh, so frustrating. Mm-mm. Dump it. Can you save stop loss and take profit value on this platform whenever you logged out? Not sure what you mean by that. Like if I log out now, will this stop work? Or this order? I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm being an idiot. Doesn't matter if it goes through. 80 was the cover. I said it 10 times. I said it 10 times. I need to cover 80s. And it keeps bouncing off of it. Just being a stupid idiot. Making myself frustrated for no reason. Would have been a beautiful cover at 80, exactly to a tick. Would have looked like a genius. Austin, I can't. I tried. I tried, my buddy. I tried everything. I think, Austin, it has to do with something that's in the past. You've emailed me about it. I don't know if it's that. I have no idea. It has nothing to do with trading. It has to do with It's basically investigation to make sure everything's up to par. And if everything's good, then you should be fine. When you relog in, yeah, these you could save them as a template or as default. So you could do it. Good cover finally. Now we wait. Now we wait. Probably gonna stream for another half an hour, guys, and then we're gonna come back for FOMC. I think it's gonna get slower and slower. And then we'll try, if FOMC is good, we'll try to trade this take profit trader account on the conference. The FOMC itself, I don't care about. It's the conference that I care about. Help me with an eval. Haven't gotten any money to get one for a very long time. If you don't have any money to buy an eval, trading is not for you. Think about it. Sorry to sound like negative, but trading has always been something that is capital required. It's like starting your own business. You always need capital of some sort. You can't just go into trading with no money and expect to make money. It doesn't work that way. I am a new member. I have learned a lot from you in the background observing. Welcome. I have not seen your name actually. Make sure you participate in the giveaways on Mondays. Every Monday we'll do a members giveaway. So around between 11 and 12 Eastern time, we do a giveaway for members only. So you have a higher chance of winning an eval. Man, market's kind of dead now. Getting closer to FOMC, so we'll see if it goes anywhere. Do you speak to bull knocks? No. Do you have any date for them adapting TRADEIFY? No. You have, what's it called? Totally forgot what the name of the what's the rhythmic? There is a rhythmic based. Man, what was the name of it? Someone's got to remember. No, not Trade C. Um, I don't remember. There is a trading platform for for rhythmic. Is it Onyx Trader? Oh, maybe it's Onyx. Yep, Onyx Trader. Try any other. Try activating one and see. But yeah, it's. Let me see if I could log into something. Um, Lucid's not on there though. I don't see Lucid. Oh yeah, Lucid's on here. I don't have any accounts with Lucid, but it's actually not bad for what it is. You could trade on it. Um, and then here's a piece of advice. Um, you trade on Mac. Well, get yourself a PC. So what you got to do is get a payout, couple payouts, and get yourself a PC. There's no reason to be trading on the Mac unless you really love TradeEvade. But even so, if you want to trade bull knocks, I mean, it's one tiny payout and it pays for 3 computers. A computer costs $500, probably even less. You could definitely get a used computer for like $300-400. Virtual. You could do if you have a strong enough Mac, yeah, you could do a virtual machine. I used to do that. I used to do that because I used to only use a Mac before I was a trader. Before I was a trader, I only used the Mac. No reason why one of these would not work. $300, and then you're able to trade without any concerns. But Onyx could be an option. Oh, you trade on the go? Okay. Yeah, there's not like, well, if you trade on the go, uh, Microsoft Surface is expensive, I think. Yeah, Surface is expensive. I have plenty of laptops and PCs. You could remote into them from your iPad, and it would look exactly like this. So if you use QUANTOWER, for example, you remote into your PC, and then you have this exact screen. That's what I do. The only thing that sucks is when you're on the go and you log. Let's say you're on your phone and you put your phone to sleep, or you lock your phone. It logs you out. It's so annoying. If it didn't log me out, I would love it. Oh, really? I have no lag at all. I love remote. Why I pay for the software, so I wonder if it's that. Well, the short would have been nice after waiting for an hour. Would you look at that? My 260s are finally here 30 minutes later. I will rebuy 220s. But yeah, try Onyx, but I don't know how well it's going to look on mobile. When are you going to the Word of Wisdom? I see a lot of gurus and course sellers and Discord sellers being invited. When I start selling a Discord and course, I guess. No, I wouldn't want to go on that. It's not me. I hate those kind of interviews. There's too much negativity you get from it. Yep. I experienced that. I blew a TPT account yesterday, and I have a new one today. Like I just talked about this. I just can't seem to get TPT to a payout because I know once I get it to a payout, I'll keep it longer. But um, getting it to buffer, I just keep messing up. You never see anyone who trades live, yeah, like a streamer. Well, Tanya was on there. I don't know if she trades live. Alrighty. Let's see how 220 plays. Ooh, okay. We might have missed it. We might have missed it. I'm in one. I'm gonna try to do like 300 bucks in one, but I'm gonna do just 2 contracts now. Now it's already bouncing. So this was the trade. This was the trade. 15 points right here at 235. Yep. That was the 15 points right there, man. Why can't I just get filled on 3 contracts? We would be so close to the buffer. How does he do it? Do what? Damn. Got shafted on that one. Got really shafted on that one. Couple points. Ooh. Okay, market. Want to play dirty? That was a winning trade. It's just I chased it. So should be good now. Maybe. Damn, you're banned from 2024? Sheesh. That's a long time ago. How are you banned that long ago? Was that the first wave? Yeah, they don't reply to those because I don't unban. It's sad. I wish they would just reset everyone. With that new 3.0, whatever, or 4.0, I wish they just gave everyone a chance. Come on. What a trade. That'll put us at 3,000. Be right back. Oof. Yeah, TPT should be your favorite. It's the best prop firm. What? Why did you do 200 instead of 400? What? They'll walk away after they win. I have to go pee. Damn. Top tick. Bottom tick. Bottom tick. Didn't top tick here, but bottom tick. Top ticked. Bottom ticked. Oh, we're off to somewhere today, guys. Only if we took bigger size, we could be. If I just took bigger size, we could be at payout. We could be at 10 grand by now. We could be. What a bounce. What an absolute gorgeous bounce. Wow, what a bounce, guys. We could have been at payout. Oh, bottom tick, top tick. We're killing it and it just can't size up. I mean, made $3,000. I can't complain about that. If I could make $3,000 when I'm over buffered, I would be freaking. I'll be jumping. I'd be more excited than big payouts. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Just like that, right to 280. 280 didn't hold here, but will it hold here? Like it didn't hold in this area. I'm gonna try one short. Absolute masterclass today. Holy shit. Oh, I'll be a millionaire if trading was this easy every day. Well, I am a millionaire, but I would be making a million every day, every year. Oh. Bella's in the house. Good morning, Bella. Good afternoon. Good evening. I don't know where you are in the world. Uh, we are drinking um green tea with ginger and turmeric. What level is 280? 280. What do you mean? What do you mean? What level is 280? It's 280. Why do I have it marked out? Oh, because of every 20 and every 80 level I have marked out on my chart. There's just something about these levels that make it work. 20 and 80. You could see that 80 has been basically the support every time. And if you go back, you could see it. But that's how I trade. Ocala. But I don't trade Ocala's method like to a T. I trade the levels and then I use my price action intuition to trade. So I don't do like the fork setups or like I'll look at sometimes I'll look at the crossovers and the cross sections and the repairs, but not all the time. And I barely use a 10-minute. Oh, it's last FOMC for Jerome. Yeah, Ocala's a good friend of mine. I believe Ocala is probably the best prop firm trader. Said that for a long time. I think I'm gonna call it a morning, and then yeah, hold on, let me show you me and Ocala. So that's me, that's Nutty Bar, that's Lumi, and that's Ocala. And that's PW, and then his crew. Pretty good times. Pretty good times. And Drake next to you now. There's no famous people that we know. I'll be back. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. I don't really care for FOMC itself. I care for the conference. Unless we YOLO and eval on FOMC. But it's been so bad lately that I don't think it's worth it. Earnings, I'm not gonna trade earnings. Unfortunately, that's just too much of a spread gamble for me. We'll let 0-day J handle that portion. That's 0-day J's time to stream. How's he been doing? I haven't tuned in. He had a crazy start to the year. He had a crazy start to the year. All right, guys. So I'll be back at 2 p.m. Should I just leave the stream on or start a second one? No, that's too long. I'm going to start a second one. I don't know if I want to pass evals on FOMC, to be honest, because it's been so bad lately. I think I'm going to trade the conference with this TPT account. Oh man, could have been at payout. Could have been easily at buffer with TPT today. The entries and the trades I've had, just absolute amazing. Like if I held this a little longer. If I held this a little bit longer. I mean, I'm not talking about a lot. This is like $200 per contract, you know, a little bit longer. Right here, I was supposed to have 3 contracts. I kind of bailed out to just 2. That's another $300 right there. Only 1 contract here. That's fine. That wasn't as good of an entry. But just very easily doable. And that's how people do it. Did PW pay for tickets for everyone? Yes. He is the man. That was one of the coolest experiences. All right, guys. I'll see you guys at 2 o'clock. Tyler, what's going on, bro? Man, what a month. Hopefully get approved and everything and be like $47,000 a month. Hey, maybe we could get to 50,000 if we could get a payout with TPT. Yeah, TPT is the best. I gotta get back on it. Trying to get back on the horse. And Tyler, and you were trading micros on Apex. See? Gotta press the pedal. Good job, bro. 16K in 5 days. No micro traders can do that, right? Unless you're trading the size of minis with micros, which is totally different. Yeah, Ocala pushes me too, man. He's back on TPT and he's killing it. And he's been telling me to just like keep focus, stay focused on it and just be aggressive. Just be aggressive. It's waste of time otherwise. Not waste of time as in just a waste of opportunity. Every day you don't get a payout with TPT, it's a wasted opportunity. And he's right. Yeah, look at my entries today, Tyler. Bottom ticked it. It was taking a little bit longer, so I got out for like 8 points, and I got 15 points on the other. This one was good trade. This one was kind of sloppy, but top ticked. Bottom ticked. Like if I would have just held a little bit longer or had more size, I would have had no drawdown and just insane 10K then. 10K day. But $3,200 so far in a couple of hours is not bad. I'm gonna try to do more on FOMC. But FOMC conference I will trade if there's some movement. If it's gonna be like it's been, then it's gonna be a dud. But we'll see. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in 2 hours. All right, guys. I'll see you in 2 hours.